here we are with Kane today. He's got a sliding door. This is a Lidco door and it's causing a lot of trouble, so I'll be quiet and let Kane do the talking now. So what do you think, Kane? What's it like?
This wonky door's driving me crazy. Look at that. Jumping off its hinges all the time, almost.
Yeah.
And it's just a real pain.
Move it quickly over and backwards and forwards, and yeah, that is rattling along, isn't it? Let's have a look down here and see it. See, the track's all corrugated, and the rollers are totally shot. So coming back to Kane, we'll fix this up for you, and it should run beautiful. Okay,
Thanks.
that's a promise.
Excellent, because I don't want to spend $4,000 on a new door.
On replacement? No, who does? All right, we'll get it going well.
Thank you.
Now this is the door, Kane's door. It's the Lidco door, and you can see a metal roller in there, which is worn out. And it's that metal roller which is causing a lot of problems with the track. So let's go and have a look at the track. You see the track down the bottom, and we get the camera down there. You can see all these waves in the track. As you go along, up, down. Looks like one of those financial advisor type graphs you see with rising prices, things like that, or wages or whatever. And you can see that. Up and down they go now. No door's going to run on that ever properly. So what we've got to do is make that perfectly flat, and we'll machine that, and then we'll put on our track, new track, and then that'll come up beautifully. Okay, here we are now with this door. It's fixed up. Let's see it slide. You want to give it a vigorous slide, nice and smooth.
Yep.
You happy with that?
Very good.
Lot
Really
cheaper
really
than
well.
putting a new door in.
Yeah, a lot cheaper.
And that'll last you. You get a warranty with that, so we'll give you our card, and if you have a problem,
Excellent.
you give us a ring.
Excellent.
That's sliding pretty well. Do you want to just check it's locking all right?
Yeah. Yep,
That's a pretty old dodgy lock, but it's still locking, okay?
Yeah, it still
isn't it?
locks.
Righto, that's good.